how to change background color on Figma. First, it can be really about to understand through something that we want. So what kind of background is? It's about to open the file, is really to be satisfied with the progress through every single progress that you want actually through way, because whatever we want about the background is about to go for a certain frame. Whatever the frame is, we can do it with a desktop frame, and then as you can see I will start to add it. Now once you do that, you will consider this as background, and as you can see we can start changing the background color like this, and that is almost about how you consider the desktop as background color. And this is really about to have it as on this situation. So that is all about guys to help you.